Xand, have you seen my stethoscope? I'm looking for it everywhere. Xand!
Oh, hello, Chris. I borrowed your stethoscope.
I can see that, but why?
I'm counting the number of breaths I'm taking so that I can find out how much oxygen my body can extract from the air in a day. So far, I'm at 8,229. 8,230. By my calculations, by the end of today, I'll have taken 19,000 breaths. That's pretty amazing, isn't it?
That is amazing. But Xand, if you really want to know how much oxygen you can get out of the air we breathe...
I do!
You're going to need to use a breath-by-breath gas analysis system.
Oh. Well, if only we had one of those.
I do, it's over here.
What?
This machine will show us how much oxygen Xand breathes in from the air and how much his body actually absorbs in 1 minute.
OK, Xand, you can take the mask off and stop breathing. So your breathing frequency is 20, ventilation 9.5 and CO2 is 0.3. All clear?
No, I don't understand what any of that means.
OK, perhaps I'd better explain this in terms of cans of air. Come over here, Xand. Now, the machine told us that in 1 minute, you breathed 9.5 litres of air. That's the equivalent of these 27 cans.
Brilliant! I've always wanted 27 cans of air, so I get to keep all these cans.
No, Xand.
Air is only 20% oxygen. The rest is made up of other gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide.
So, in fact, of these 27 cans, only these 6 have oxygen in them. So I'll just take these ones away.
Great! So I get to keep 6 cans of oxygen.
No, because your body can't soak up oxygen that quickly. The machine shows that in 1 minute, you only absorb 1 can's worth.
One lousy can? Well, this is completely useless. What am I meant to do with 1 little can of oxygen?
Well, actually, Xand, you would be amazed at what your body can do with 1 can's worth of oxygen. Come on, Xand, I'll show you.
Oxygen is used in chemical reactions in your body to create energy. You need energy for everything you do. Walking, eating,
And skipping.
yes, Xand. So, do you want to see how oxygen helps to make energy?
Yes, please.
Good. Let's blow stuff up. Firstly, I filled this balloon with hydrogen because it's a gas that burns well in air without extra oxygen, so you can see the difference later.
Oh! Whoa!
What do you think of that, Xand?
That was really good. It was really good. Look, I don't want to hurt your feelings, but it wasn't great.
Well, that, Xand, is because I didn't add your little can of oxygen.
And you really think this little can of oxygen would make a difference?
Yes. At the moment, the hydrogen can only burn using the oxygen in the air around the balloon. If we put that can of oxygen inside the balloon, everything will happen a lot quicker. OK, in 3,
2,
1.
Oh! That was great! That's amazing! Just from adding that tiny amount of oxygen.
In your body, of course, you don't have an explosion. But the fact that you do have lots of oxygen in your cells means that all the reactions happen very efficiently and quickly and release lots of energy.
You know what this means, Chris?
What's Xand?
We should add a lot more oxygen, like 10 minutes worth.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Ah! That's amazing.
That's really good, isn't it?
I feel like my whole face has been slapped.